One of the many things necessary for a SOLIDWORKS user to be successful is proper computer hardware. I'll introduce some of the terminology and computer equipment a CAD admin needs to be familiar with. But first I'll discuss some important considerations about the type of equipment and how it will be used. As a CAD admin, the main considerations are to know what your users will be working on and where. Those performing rendering and simulation tasks will require higher performing equipment than those working with designs and assemblies, and those working at home or in an office can use different equipment than those on the road every day to customer locations. Desktop computers built inside a tower are much easier to upgrade and customize to get exactly the specifications you need, which allows you to meet the needs of users who are rendering or performing simulations on a regular basis. Desktops offer plug-and-play options for upgrading RAM, graphics cards, and hard drives, while also supporting a higher power output to leverage better CPUs. Laptops have size and portability advantages over desktops, but will still meet the system requirements for design, assemblies, and some advanced work. Laptops, however, are generally limited in power output due to the ability to cool components inside a much smaller case. Laptops are also more difficult to upgrade, including adding RAM or changing a graphics card that's out of date, and therefore must be completely replaced more often. Throughout this section, I'll outline key factors to consider when selecting equipment, compare professionally related equipment to that designed for gaming, and identify tips to help you make an informed decision. With most computer equipment, a higher price will give you better performance, but it's essential to balance performance with cost. Finally, you should be aware of a resource available when first exploring CAD hardware: the system requirements provided by SOLIDWORKS, which apply to most SOLIDWORKS products and ensure you are always working with a SOLIDWORKS-supported and optimized system. The system requirements can be found by visiting their website at solidworks.com, then scrolling to the bottom under Support and selecting System Requirements.